Today we are going to learn how to say certain animals in Albanian. Let's get started. Our first animal is macja, the cat. Macja, or macet, the cats in plural. Macet. Our next animal is qeni, the dog. Qeni. In the plural, qent, the dogs. Qent. Moving on, we have lopa, the cow. Lopa. In the plural, lopët, the cows. Lopët. Our next animal is delia, the sheep. Delia. Or in the plural, delet, the sheep. Delet. Moving on, we have dhia, the goat. Dhia. And in the plural, dhit, the goats. Dhit. Next we have kali, the horse. Kali. And in the plural, kuajt, the horses. Kuajt. Moving on, ariu, the bear. Ariu. Or in the plural, arind, the bears. Arind. Next up we have ujku, the wolf. Ujku. And in the plural, ujqit, the wolves. Ujqit. Moving on, we have pula, the chicken. Pula. Pulat, the chickens in the plural. Pulat. Our next animal is luani, the lion. Luani. And in the plural, luanat, the lions. Luanat. Moving on, we have elefanti, the elephant. Elefanti. Or elefantat in the plural, the elephants. Elefantat. Next we have gomari, the donkey. Gomari. And gomaret in the plural, the donkeys. Gomaret. Moving on, we have ketri, the squirrel. Ketri. And in the plural, ketrat, the squirrels. Ketrat. Next we have maimuni, the monkey. Maimuni. And in the plural, maimunat, the monkeys. Maimunat. Our next animal is miu, the mouse. Miu. And in the plural, mint, the mice. Mint. Moving on, we have jarpri, the snake. Jarpri. And in the plural, jarperind, the snakes. Jarperind. And our last one for today is shqiponia, the eagle. Shqiponia. And in the plural, shqiponiat, the eagles. Shqiponiat. And you can tell that the words shqip and shqiperia come from the noun shqiponia. Very well, let's now look at all of them together. Macja, the cat. Macja. Qeni, the dog. Qeni. Lopa, the cow. Lopa. Delia, the sheep. Delia. Dhia, the goat. Dhia. Kali, the horse. Kali. Ariu, the bear. Ariu. Ujku, the wolf. Ujku. Pula, the chicken. Pula. Luani, the lion. Luani. Elefanti, the elephant. Elefanti. Gomari, the donkey. Gomari. Ketri, the squirrel. Ketri. Maimuni, the monkey. Maimuni. Miu, the mouse. Miu. Gjarpri, the snake. Gjarpri. And Shqiponia, the eagle. Shqiponia. Very well, these are some of the animals and how we say them in Albanian. I hope this is helpful to you. And please let me know if I missed any animal which might be your favorite, and let me know in the comments below. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe for more daily videos. And if you're serious about becoming fluent in Albanian, send me an email at shqipify@gmail.com, which you can find in the description below. Shihemi në videon tjetër.